Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing on iPhone. First of all, you have to open your iPhone settings and check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. Let's go back. Open your iPhone settings again. Click on General. Click on iPhone Storage. Click on Instagram and tap on Offload and Reinstall. After this, go back. At last, you need to open App Store. And click on Swap and search here Instagram app. And open Instagram app. Check for update. If not updated your app, you need to update your TikTok app. And after doing you need to go back. And after doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.